him. I got no rules, I count 'em.
Hey guys, it's Bree. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing my second Halloween look for this year. I don't know really what I'm doing. I'm just going to go for it and see how it turns out. I'm going to really try to use the water face paints, the water-based face paints that I got. That's right here. So I'm going to start by putting on foundation. This is the lightest foundation that I own. It's super pale. So this is the Revlon Color Stay in 150. Okay, once I have that base down, I think I'm gonna use the pink in this and paint my eyebrows pink. Now these ones actually dry down. My first tutorial that I actually filmed yesterday, that zombie one, that one was hard because the paints, the oil-based ones, they just move around, and I tried so hard to set them as much as I could with eyeshadow, and it seemed like I couldn't set them as well as they needed to be set. I did this one perfectly and this one's all messy. For the eyes, I'm going to go in with my Morphe 35B palette. Looks like this. And I'm just going to do some random colors. I think I'm going to do green, purple, blue. Green, purple, blue on this eye, and pink, orange, red on this eye. Slightly bring it down on my nose a little bit. I'm using this shade in the 35B. It's really pretty. Okay, now I'm going to jump back into the water paints. So I'm going to start with the pink that I used on my brows. Go right under here. Okay, so now I'm going to jump back into that Morphe palette, and using the same colors that I used on each eye, I'm going to kind of contour my face. Okay, next I'm going to take the black in this palette. I'm going to create little triangles like a clown. Okay, so now I'm just going to add watercolors on my neck and add some black right here, dripping down. We'll see if it turns out how I am picturing it. Okay, I'm gonna take this pencil. This is the 24/7 Glide On Eye Pencil from Urban Decay in 0. I'm gonna line my waterline and smoke out some black on the upper and lower lash line. Taking a fluffy brush and blending it out a little bit. I'm just gonna add on some mascara and some lashes. Okay, so I'm gonna add some black shadow, like just to the hollows, and kind of contour a little bit with that. Okay, so then I'm gonna add a nose. I didn't think I was going for clown today, but that's just where we ended up. Okay guys, and this is the finished look. It's kind of a watercolor clown. I really like how it turned out. I think it looks really cool. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, and don't forget to subscribe. Leave any suggestions for Halloween looks that you want to see down below, and I can try to come up with something. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in my next video.